Stay updated, stay connected. Start following people on Threads within just a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to follow people on Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Threads app on your device. Tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the search bar at the top. Type the name or the username of the person you want to follow. From the search result, find the profile you are looking for and click on it to open their profile page. On their profile page, you will see a follow button below their bio. Simply tap the follow button to start following them. So this is how to follow people on Threads app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.